Hi. Okay, so this video I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code on your computer. So not to waste much of time, I'm going to show you two ways to do that. The first way is you just open your web browser and you just search for VS Code. Just type VS Code and you will see the link, this first link here, download. So you click on the download button. When you click on the download button, it will take you to this place. So once you click on this place here, scroll down. If you're using the Windows, you use any of these. Now note your system properties. Once again, if you want to know what this thing means, S864 and S86. S864 means you're using 64-bit operating system, and S86 means you're using 32-bit operating system. To know which Windows operating system you are using, either you watch the video there, or at the top right, or you come to your PC, you just right click on properties, the file explorer, properties, and you will see here 64-bit operating system based 64-bit processor. This means 64-bit operating system that is installed on your computer. This is Windows 10 64-bit operating system, while this 64-bit processor means that the processor chip that this computer is using is 64 bits. So if it was 32 bits, you see S86 here, and 32 bits rather. 32-bit operating system here and S86 as this one. So which means I will have 64 bits, means I'm good to go. So I can just click on this or this. And once I click on any of this, it take me to the download page to reload the page for me. And thanks for downloading VS Code, and the download will start immediately. So because I have it downloaded on my computer, it's telling me that it's a duplicate. I'm using an external download link anyways, so that's that. I have it is downloaded on my PC. Now the second way to do that is I already generated a link, so you can just type the link. I'm going to put it on the screen: https://amplify.syz/VS Code. Once you click on this link, it's going to take you straight. Let me just show you the link in a new page. https://amplify.syz/VS Code. So once you click on this link, press enter key on your keyboard, it will automatically download it for you to save you the stress of going through all this long process which I just showed you. So yeah, as you can see, it's already have it installed on my computer, downloaded on my computer. So once you download once the download is complete, you will be notified that your download is complete somewhere around here. So it's in your download folder. So what you need to do is to go to your download folder. You see it right here. This is it. So you open it to install it. So it's going to ask for administration permission. So first of all, I just agree. Note the location is being installed. So you say next, and you say next again. So you can add parts to this. Check this. Make sure you check these boxes. Check these boxes as well, and you can set to create a desktop icon as well. So when you do that, all this. So this is the summary of installation. This is the summary. You review if you want to review changes. So you click on install. So it's going to prompt you a menu that you should accept yes or no. So when it does that, you click yes. That's administration is permission. So just be patient with it. It's going to install. It will take a short while, but just patient with it. It's going to install. So once it's done installing, you'll be notified. So now it's done installing. So you can start to launch it, and I click on the finish. It's going to open. because I clicked the bus to launch. So your VS Code has been installed successfully. So these are just some big features that. So now there's something I want us to do. Yeah. So this is it. This is how you're able to install it in your computer. So these are the two ways to install Visual Studio Code onto your computer. So you can explore the extensions and download more extensions, and these extensions will help you to save your time when coding. Alright, so see you in the next tutorial.